Hey guys, it's Core Ross. Today we're unboxing and checking out the AceGamer Aurora wireless game controller. And this controller is compatible with PC, Nintendo Switch, Android and iOS. And it's got Hall effect joysticks and triggers, along with it actually being wireless with a 1000 milliamp battery. And that can be recharged with the USB Type-C port. Or of course you can always use that for a wired connection as well. And then the wireless connection is done via a USB dongle, or you can direct connect via Bluetooth. And you can see what we get in the box here. We've got a controller, a dongle, a USB Type-C cable, and an instruction manual. And that is it. Nice and simple. And the packaging is excellent. It's rather bland looking because it's got a white and blue box, but it's set up very well for surviving shipping, and everything is nice and secure inside. And I chose the pink one here, but you can also get this controller in black, flowing light, or galaxy. And it looks very good. The quality of this thing is excellent. Well up there with like a first party. And I like that it's not actually just your default Xbox controller shape. It's a little bit different and it feels quite good. It's obviously a bit more kind of Nintendo Switch setup. And yeah, gotta say, I really like the overall quality here. On the back, we've got some customization options. So we've got some paddles that we can switch on and off. And we've also got the deep trigger or the shallow trigger to go with. So excellent customization, and then it also has different modes and customizations that you can go through, and these are all done with a function button, so you will have to go through the instructions to figure out exactly how to do it all, as there is no accompanying software with this controller, but it does mean you don't have to worry about downloading anything and have it installed in a machine or anything like that. You can do it all from the controller itself, and the other thing is you can have different profiles on the controller, so you can really customize this however you would like. And then here's what the controller looks like when it is on. Nice subtle RGB underneath the thumbsticks. And then you also have the 4 lights underneath, which can work with Nintendo Switch, but these are also used for the profiles as well. And yeah, very happy with this controller. It's a nice solid one and it works very good. I had a lot of fun using this. The only downside here is that the battery is not replaceable. So of course, when it goes, it won't be wireless anymore, but at least you can still do a wireless connection. So that's maybe the only downside. And then other than that, I think this thing is really nice. And remember, this does not work on any of the consoles, so no Xbox or PlayStation. This is a PC and Switch, along with iOS and Android. But anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and overview of the AceGamer Aurora wireless gaming controller.